This game is called Remainder Zero. It's from Do the Math Module A. In order to play this game, you will need 3 number cubes. These are a little different. They're yellow, but they're different than the ones in some of the other modules. They have numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 on them. So you'll need 3 of those. You'll need your green tiles, a bag of those. And then you'll need some paper. That is what we use to divide our tiles into groups. You'll also need recording sheet page 37 or 38. And you're going to split your students into pairs, so pairs are going to be playing another pair. That's how we play this game. So in order to play, the students are going to roll the dice, and they're going to come up with 3 numbers. I'm just going to have these numbers set up for you. So say these were the numbers that they rolled, a 1, a 2, and a 3. They're going to record those so they can refer back to them, a 1, a 2, and a 3. And then they're going to write 6 division problems using the numbers that they rolled. So let's see, what can we do? We can say 12 divided by 3 is 1. We can do 13 divided by 2 is 1. We can do 21 divided by 3. 23 divided by 1, 31 divided by 2, and 32 divided by 1. So basically they're just putting them together, mixing them up, and saying, making their equations. So what you're going to want to have them do then is to solve the equations and see how many of these equations actually have a remainder of 0. So let's look at the first one, 12 divided by 3. Well, to me, that says 12 tiles divided into 3 groups. So I'm going to put out my paper, 3 groups, 1, 2, 3. 3 groups, and I'm going to do 12 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it looks like there are no leftovers, no remainders in that one, and each of the 3 groups has 4 tiles. So I'm going to rewrite that equation down here, and it's going to say 12 divided by 3 equals 4 with a remainder of 0. All right, and I'm going to continue to do that. 13 divided by 2 is 6 with a remainder of 1. 21 divided by 3 is 7, and they're working all of these out with the manipulative, so it should take them, a considerable time to complete these if they're working them all out. 23 divided by 1 is 23, remainder 0. And 31 divided by 2 is 15, remainder 1. And 32 divided by 1 equals 32, remainder 0. And then in order to win the game, what we need to do is count up the number of equations that have a remainder of 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number of 0 remainders is 4. At the end, they compare their sheet to their partner's, or to the other group's sheet, and they figure out who has the greater number of 0 remainders, and those people are the winners. So whatever number's in this box, those are the winners. And that's how you play remainder 0.